So do you know that 90% fails to solve such an amazing maths problem? So let's now start with our solution. So you can also work it out on your own way. Then now from there, we shall have to compare the answers that you shall have get. So the first step that you need to do is factorization. So here now we shall now have 4 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 80. Then work out the number that is inside the bracket. That is now 4 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equals to 80. Then divide both sides by 2 by 2. So that now 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So when it cancels out, now we shall now have 4 to the power of x, which is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 80 is 40, which is equals to now 40. So our next step is now to factorize this or simplify this maths problem completely. So in order for us to do that, let's now introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of x is equals to the log of 40. So from here, when you have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m, the log of p. So once we understand this one, we shall now know that the log of 4 to the power of x can also be written as x, the log of 4, is equals to the log of 40. So thereby divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this other side by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so that now our value for x now is equals to the log of 40, then all over the log of 4. So the next step is now for us now to simplify this maths completely. So when working out simplification, we shall now say that the value for x is equals to, so the log of 40 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 10, then into bracket all over the log of 4. So once again, when you have the log of a multiplied by m, this one can be written as the log of a, then plus the log of m. So that is to mean that when you have this one, we can now agree that x now shall be the log of 4, then plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 4. So the log of 4. So that means that now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4. So that is now x is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 4, then all over the log of 4, then also plus log 10, so log 10 all over the log of 4. So this way, the value for x is equals to, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So then now we shall now have 1 plus the log of 10, the log 10 all over the log of 4. So that is to mean that still our value for x shall be written as 1 plus, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then into bracket all over the log of 4. So that is now the value for x now shall be is equals to 1 plus, so here now we shall now have the log of 5, then plus the log of 2, then all of these ones shall be all over the log of 4, then also all over the log of 4. So when you have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so this one now can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So that means that our final answer for the value for x now, so the value for x shall be written as 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then also plus the log of 2 to the base of 4. So this one now qualifies to be our correct maths problem. So you can also confirm this maths problem very fast and check if indeed our answer was correct. So in this way, we shall say that the maths problem that we had 4 to the power of x, then plus 4 to the power of x is equals to 80. So let's check at the maths problem or the answer that we got. So we got 1 plus the log of 5 to the power of 4. So 1 plus the log of 5 to the power of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the power of 4, plus the log of 2 to the power of 4. So this one now was the answer to our value of x. So instead of writing x, we shall now have it as this way. So 4 now to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then also plus the log of 2 to the base of 4, then also add 2, again 4 to the power of 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4. So this means that now we shall now have it as, so when you write it properly, we shall now have it as now 4 to the power of 1 plus means multiply 4 to the log of 5 to the base of 4 plus also means multiplication 4 to the log of 2 to the base of 4, then plus shall have it as plus 4 to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 to the log of 5 to the base of 4, multiply again 4 to the log of 2 to the base of 4. So that now 4 to the power of 1 is 4 multiplied by the log to the base of 4, cancel this 4. So 5 multiplied by the log to the base of 4, cancel this 4, 2, then also plus 4 to the power of 1 is 4, then log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4, so multiplied by 5, then also multiplied by the log to the base of 4, cancel this 4, 2. So next we shall now have it as, so all of these ones should be equals to 80. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, then 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. So now 40 plus the whole of this one is also 40 is equals to 80. Therefore now we conclude that the answer that we got is correct by saying that the value for x in its simplest form is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 4 plus the log of 2 to the base of 4. So if you loved how we work out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe.